Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ajay Pathak. I'm plastic and reconstructive surgeon and did my MCH plastic surgery from IPGMR Kolkata. Now currently I'm working as assistant professor plastic surgeon in Riva Medical College. I heard Tamira Shiksha 1 month aesthetic fellowship from one of my plastic surgery colleague, and I contact in this center with ma'am, and he allows me for 1 month fellowship. That's why I'm here. After coming here, I had great opportunity to learn, assist and observe many surgical as well as non-surgical aesthetic procedures. The surgical procedure includes breast augmentation, breast reduction, gynecomastia correction, 360 liposuction, and as well as hair transplantation. Apart from these surgical techniques, I had opportunities to learn many non-surgical procedures like microneedling, SMP, various types of laser, and 360 RF tightening, as well as pull splattering. In this institute, it has been a wonderful learning from Jayanti ma'am how to counsel the patient and what are alternative options, surgical and non-surgical, she gives to patient for to achieve their aesthetic desire. This training will surely help me to build my aesthetic career. Thank you.